I am Dr. Muad Al-Amir. This is a case of 25 years old male presented with right recurrent shoulder dislocation. A camera is inserted inside the shoulder joint through a posterior portal, then a needle is used to assess the location for an anterior cannula. A diagnostic arthroscopy was done using a probe, and distorted anatomy of the labrum was found anteriorly and inferiorly. Again, a needle is used to assess the location for the anterior superior portal. Then the camera position is changed from posteriorly to anterior superior portal. Then a cannula is inserted through the posterior portal. Using a liberator knife, the knife is inserted all the way medially to release the labrum from its medially healed position. Then using a motorized shaver, the bone is prepared to give us an optimum healing for the labrum. After that, the labrum is assessed for reduction. Using a 45 degrees to the right suture lasso, a Pauline suture is passed to localize and prepare for suture passing later on. A double-loaded all-suture anchor is inserted in the glenoid, then passing the sutures through the labrum for knot tying. Another double-loaded all-suture anchor is inserted, and the same process is repeated. And this is the final picture for a complete labral repair.